Last class we saw in the perfect competition equilibrium price, and how we will get the equilibrium price. When the equilibrium price means that means demand and supply will be equal. Quantity demand and quantity demand and quantity supply will be equal. We saw the sun how it arrived by invisible hand. What Adam Smith is studying like invisible hand. So we saw in the picture. Now theoretically they will give someone like that how to find the equilibrium price. When the equilibrium price is, at that time what will happen to demand and supply? If it is not equilibrium, what will happen to demand and supply? All this theoretically, when you do the sum, no, you will understand. So first here, no, they are given quantity demanded as 250 minus 50p, and quantity supplied they are given 25 plus 25p. First we should understand, we should get the p. How to find the p? See now 250 minus 50p equal to 25 plus 25p, that is quantity demanded equal to quantity supply. This is you know. So first what we will do, first we will bring all the price this side. So 50p minus, it will become plus here, it will become so it will become 25. Here what is happening? 250 minus 250 plus 255, it will become 225. If we divide this 225 by 25, we will get the answer 3. This is equilibrium price. So equilibrium price is how much? 3. So we will put the 3 in the place of 50, then we will find out whether the quantity demand and quantity supply is coming equal or not. I will rub this. So now equilibrium price is 3. So when we apply this, and we will see that when the quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. So 250 minus 50 into 3. So what will become 250 minus 150. So QD is equal to 100. Then supply 25 plus 25 into 3. So 25 plus 75. QS also 100. So what we got, the price is correct. How? QD is also 100. QS also 100 equals 100. So what we got, the price 3 is correct, equilibrium price. Now if it is less than equilibrium price or more than equilibrium price, what will happen? Because in the question, it's 6-mark question, they will ask find out the equilibrium price and prove that what you have got it correct. If it is less, what will happen? If it is more, what will happen? So now we got the correct equilibrium price and we have proved also. Next we are going to see equilibrium price is more than equilibrium price, what will happen? Equilibrium price is 3. Now we will take more than that one. Okay, now we will take 4. 4 as the equilibrium price. More than thing, 4 we will take. What will happen? 250 minus 50 into 4. What will happen? 250 minus 200. So the QD will be 50. When supply also 25 plus 25 into 4. 4 will become 100. 25 plus 100, 125. So QS is 175. So here QD and QS is not equal because QD is coming 50 whereas QS is coming 125. Here excess supply, demand is less. So if it is more than equilibrium price, this will happen. The demand will become less, the supply will become more. Same thing when it is become equilibrium price is less, what will happen? We will see. If it is less means we will take a 2. So what will happen? 250 minus 50 into 2, 100. So 150, QD is equal to 150 and supply 25 plus 25 into 2, 25 plus 50, 75 QS. So it is not equal. So here QD is becoming, QD is, the demand is more, supply is 75 less. So only in equilibrium price 3 what we got is correct. So less than equilibrium price also, what will happen to demand and supply? If it is more than equilibrium price also, what will happen to demand and supply? So the equilibrium price we saw, no, demand and supply, the equilibrium price. That time the demand and supply will be equal. QD will be equal to QS. So this is the proof of the sum. Thank you girls.